Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet. And then moving on to the front, this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. So now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your audio station or radio station. Can exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seat belts. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see here, radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, you have your camera view again, you have your hazards, traction control shut off. Then moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at separate temperatures. And then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector. You have tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt, 120-volt, and this button up here to open the glove or the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then down here you have a USB and USB-C, and then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed, so you can have more open space here for whatever. You have your two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is spacious, has a removable tray, and has another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.